Hello, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm making delicious, juicy, special tandoori chicken melted in your mouth. Marinate with flavorful spices, serve with silky, creamy sauce and melted butter. Enjoy this recipe. Few cut like that. Next, making tandoori paste. Tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, tablespoon cumin powder, tablespoon chili powder, tablespoon coriander powder, teaspoon turmeric powder, teaspoon black pepper, ginger garlic paste tablespoon, tablespoon salt, teaspoon garam masala, green chili paste tablespoon, lemon juice 3 to 4 tablespoon, pinch of food color option, 1 tablespoon besan, 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. That's it, mix nicely. Marinate at least 2 hours. Next, chicken top of the grill. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for 80 to 90 minutes. Between baking times, slide the chicken, melted butter all over. Next, we making special creamy sauce. Half cup of cream, yogurt 4 tablespoon, tablespoon vinegar, tablespoon lemon juice, teaspoon black pepper, tablespoon chaat masala. Teaspoon salt. That's it, just mix it, ready to go. Remove the chicken, let it cool down. Creamy sauce top of the tandoori chicken. Look delicious. Melted butter. Final touch of fresh cilantro. Ready to serve.